You're gonna sink it.
I said I'm sinking.
Well, get up front. Put the paddle on it, get on front.
Turn the damn throttle up!
Your old grapple hook paid off. I judge you. You got it? You go into the bank. Four-wheeler gonna pull it out. Good job, Scuba Steve. Good job, Scuba Steve. Scuba Steve. We can start talking.
Listen, ask Justin, it's never boring around here.
It'll be alright.
Come over here, stand over here. That's right, Justin. It does great. Yay! There's my boat!
Motor's still on it. I actually get hurt.
The motor's still on it?
Yeah.
Good. All right, I'll pull the rest of the way, Henry.
Oh, yeah.
No, we don't want to. No, wait.
Oh, we can tip it over. Take the motor off.
We can pull it up if you want, but
No, just take the motor off and tip it over.
we can pull up. Let the water. Yeah. Let the water out. I guess. I smell gas. Okay. Bitch, you're probably cranky. I wouldn't say. Yeah.
Might have a little water in it.
There's another one down there.
That's the registration number.
That is a short boat, too.
Want to try it out?
Nope.
The motor at the house.
No, we don't.
We got backup motor.
No, we don't. How are we getting it back? No, we don't.
Same way we got it.